me you gon' ride for me, spend some time with me. Say you tryna be my everything, and that's fine with me. I ain't never gonna lie to you, so don't you lie to me. Know that you can have my heart if you just treat it properly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brat Dior. Okay, so in today's video I will be doing a clean my house or clean my apartment with me mom edition. Okay, because for the moms that know, this house, well, the house gets a mess when there's children, and I have one and it feels like I have 5. So this house is a mess. Literally, I'm giving you raw edition. Literally, like she's over there somewhere eating cereal. The kitchen is a mess. Literally, like there's dishes, there's just a whole bunch of junk. And wait till you see the dining table. Don't mind the ring light, but bro, there's a mess. Okay, the room is a mess, her room is a mess. We gotta clean the bathrooms. Like, this is straight up mom edition. Okay, so you guys are gonna clean with me, and I'm gonna time lapse it, obviously, so it could be, you know, faster for you guys and slower for me. So I'm gonna sit you guys there. Usually what I first start with is the kitchen, because that's like the main place that gets dirty, and I like to see my kitchen clean first. Then I move on to like dining room, all of that jazz. So I'm going to bring you guys a little bit more down, because okay, you guys can see me. I have no freaking shoes on. I have some shorts and a t-shirt. So let's get into this cleaning, because girl, we need to clean. So as she's eating, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna wash the dishes first. I'm gonna time lapse it. It's gonna be fast. So yeah.
Yeah. I don't usually do this, but
Killer, oh my god.
can I sing to you? Yeah.
Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, all the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You sit me up on the counter, instantly it's thunder showers, storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours. Usually don't like nobody, and when I say nobody, I mean nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You're just a homie once they hit. Felt like giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. Then I met you. When I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray for it on my knees every night for some hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. What's yours is mine and ours, and yours mine and ours. I can sit and talk to you for hours, sit and look at you for hours, making love to you for hours, laying on your chest for hours. Tell me telling you jokes for hours, holding you close for hours, and hours. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, whoa, hours and hours, hours and hours. Hours and hours, hours and hours. Yeah. Yeah. I don't usually do this, but
Killer, oh my god.
can I sing to you? Yeah, yeah. Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, all the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You sit me up on the counter, instantly it's thunder showers, storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours. Usually don't like nobody, and when I say nobody, I mean nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You're just a homie once they hit. Felt like giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. Then I met you. When I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray.
So the next thing that we're gonna clean is my daughter's messy ass room. Literally a freaking mess. So yeah, let's get to cleaning.
okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know.
That completes the entire video. I finished the entire house. It took me like an hour. It was stressful. I don't know if you could tell in the video that I was stressed out, okay? Because my daughter was yelling, screaming. She was moving the camera. She actually dropped my phone. Like, she didn't break it. She did break the screen protector that's in the back where my camera is. The screen protector, that's for that. She broke that. So, yay for me. Now I have to go get another one. My life. See, I'm not trying to curse, so. But that's the dining room, the kitchen, the living room. It's done. Her clothes. Actually, I'm not gonna show you her clothes because the closet's closed and I don't want her to take on the toys. Come, let's go.